Hi, I am Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. He is a student of Kushal. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Hello, my name is Kushal and I joined PySpiders in the month of February 2025 and I've undergone training on web technologies under Govind Raju sir and SQL under Murali sir and Python for Keshav sir. Then Django and Excel. And the training was good. And here they are conducting multiple activities, both cultural and study-related activities. The one which was much more helpful was screening part, as we do screening daily, and we get to revise everything, all the topics that are taught to us. And as the trainers ask questions about that, we will get more in-depth understanding in that. Cultural activities such as I've participated in ramp walk and I've won a first place in that as a team. And yeah, that's about the journey in PySpiders for me, and it was really joyful and it involved much more learning.
Okay. How mock interviews were helpful to clear the exam?
Mock interviews were that's it. Like it will give us a simulation of actual interviews, and we'll get to face. We'll get to know how the actual interview will be there. And in fact, in mock interviews, our trainers ask more questions than in interviews. So we'll be able to clear the actual interviews much easier.
Okay. I wish him all the best for